Hi guys, in this opportunity I'm talking about the Netflix series. This story based on the guy's man, but it's different this story because it's the relationship between a man who has 70 years old, so it's a senior man. Each man got married with a different girl, obviously, and decided to start the relationship 20 uh, after 20 years that got married. So the series talking about the different experience between the guys, and it's good, obviously. 20 years after, they decided to talk with the family and say we are gay and this is our relationship. So it's crazy, obviously. The wives, oh, so uh, why 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 is your relationship, why you don't talking about uh, previously. But the series show uh, how people like to understand the relationship, and it's good. It's funny, it's creative, I like a lot. But I suppose that I don't know. It's long series. Is more or less 3 seasons and more or less 45 chapters. So it's long, but it's good because you can understand and you can feel, and it's a good option for see. So my advice, obviously, you should to watch this series. So it's all. Hi, thank you so much.